Hey, we're gonna do an unboxing of the 40-volt brushless leaf blower from Dongcheng. Get it opened up here. Everything was packaged nice and neat, very secure. First thing out was a dual charger. That's really nice. And then I pull out the blower and accidentally block everything else that's coming out. Whoops. So here's the charger again, and it comes with two 4 amp hour 20-volt batteries, which is awesome. They last a really long time, very high quality. You can charge them both at the same time pretty quickly with that charger. And here's the blower. It's really cool looking, feels great. All the materials are really nice. There's a speed selector dial here. That's also how you turn it on. And then a turbo button to get the full CFM. And also on the top there is a battery indicator for both of the batteries, which is pretty awesome. Check each one there, and you put both 20-volt batteries in at the same time. That's how you get the 40 volts. Obviously, I don't think it'll work with just one, but they're not too heavy, and they clip in there nice and neat and out of the way. It comes with a shoulder strap too, but the weight is really balanced, and it, like I said, it's not very heavy. Some of the attachments that come with it. It has a pretty good diameter main tube, and then a bunch of different nozzles that fit on the end of it. It's got an elbow for sweeping motion, a wide one, I like that one, use it the most, and then a more narrow one for concentrated blowing, I guess. When you roll that speed selector forward, it turns on, and yep, it works. Here's a little closer view. It does have a brushless motor, which is awesome, and reaches up to 650 CFMs. That's a really high number. Here's me testing it out on some very heavy, sticky snow, blowing it off of my Jeep. Does a great job. If this was the light, fluffy snow, this would blow it off in no time. This is a very high-powered leaf blower. It's really cool.